Hello friends, welcome to Software Lifestyle Hub. In today's video, let's discuss about top 5 common mistakes done while job searching or in interview process. Many of us, okay, knowingly or unknowingly do this kind of mistakes. Let's discuss about these 5 mistakes today. Okay. So the first one in the mistake is applying for jobs which you are not really qualified for, or you can say applying for all random jobs. Okay, so these days, many people in the YouTube, they say, okay, apply as many jobs as possible. Okay. So by listening that, what we generally we do is we apply for all kinds of jobs. For example, you are looking for a IT job. Okay. But you see some job related to some civil or mechanical or some generic job or some digital marketing job. You go and apply for that. Okay. So don't do that, because if you apply for these kind of jobs, okay, in case if they call for an interview, you do not have any relevant skills, you will not get any select, you will not get selected. So indirectly you are wasting your time and their time also. Okay, so be specific what you are looking for and apply for those kind of job. If you are looking for IT job, okay, search for IT jobs and apply for IT jobs only. Okay, that's the first mistake. Okay, the second mistake is not customizing resume according to the job description. Okay, many of us prepare only one single resume, and we will upload same resume to all kinds of job descriptions, all different jobs. Okay, though you have some relevant skills which are matching to the job description, but we will not put those relevant keywords or skill set in our resume. To give one simple example, you go through one job description, they might have mentioned effective in communication. Okay, but you did not put that in your resume. You might have that skill. Okay, but you have not mentioned that. Okay, please go and customize your resume and put that in your resume. For example, you might have conducted some events in your college. You can mention that, okay, effectively communicated with different people and conducted the event successfully. That means you are adding that keyword like communication skills keyword in your resume. So you can do something like that so that your resume will match the job description. Okay, I think you got the point. So go through the job description first, then check whether you have that keywords in your resume. If not, go and modify your resume and apply that customized resume. So try to customize your resume to match to that job description. That will help you to filter your resume for the job. Okay. Then third thing is not preparing and not doing good research about the company before going for an interview. Okay. Many of us, we don't go through their company details and what this company will do, what business that company do. These kind of details we will not really look into. We will directly go to the interview. In case if interviewer asks why like what you know about our company, we will not have any answer because we have not prepared. We will take this kind of things not seriously. But if interviewer asks this kind of question, if you are not able to answer, then you are leaving a not good impression, right? So it's a very simple task. It will not take a lot of time. If you spend 30 minutes, 1 hour, you will be able to understand, okay, about any company. Go through their website, go through their any social media channels or any newsletters. Okay, there are different options to find about any company these days. It's not so difficult. Go through their website, understand, okay, what is the work culture there, okay, what kind of business that company is doing. If you know anyone in that company, talk to them to understand more. Okay, so that when you go and if interviewer asks that kind of question, you will be able to answer appropriate with appropriate details, so that interviewer will get impressed that this person well prepared and they know about our company. Okay, that leave good impression on you. Okay, that's the third thing. Fourth thing is not preparing for common interview questions. If you go any interview, there are few set of questions. Those are very common. Okay, like tell me about yourself. Why should we hire you? What is your strength and weakness? Okay, and what is your vision for next 5 years? Where do you want to see in next 5 years? These are very common set of questions. Okay, but many of us will think we will directly go and answer there itself. Okay, don't do that. Instead of that, if you prepare properly, these questions are very common, answers also common. Okay, you prepare the answers properly, do some practice. Okay, ask your friends to ask these questions and do some mock give some mock interview, so that you are very clear and you are very confident what to say when someone asks this question in an interview. Okay. So when you go to the interview, if interviewer asks this question, because you have already prepared, you'll be able to, okay, speak very confident without fumble mumble, and you will give proper answer. Okay. That will help you to answer these questions very, very nice or very in a neat way, instead of, thinking there and giving some random answers. Okay. Okay. That is the fourth mistake. And the fifth mistake, I think there is one more mistake. That is, fifth mistake is, after interview, many people do not follow up. Okay, once interview done, then if you don't receive call from HR, they think that they've lost that interview. Okay, so what I recommend is follow up one or two times. Nothing wrong in following up. Sometimes HRs or interview, like the people who are conducting interviews, they will be busy with a lot of other activities. Like they need to engage with many people. They need to call many people. In that process, they might have forgotten to, call you back or update you sometimes. Okay, so if you follow up, there are if you are follow up, like if you are in their list, then they may again, insert the next process. Sometimes if you are not selected also, that's no problem, nothing wrong, right? So they will tell you you are not selected, but you can have a relation. You can ask them, if there are any openings in the future, please consider me. You can ask that, right? Nothing wrong. So no one will kick you, no one will, uh, do anything. If you are following up, do one or two follow-ups. You can send email, or you can call. You can ask them, hey, I've given interview last week, can you give me a status of my interview? uh, okay, you can ask like that, so that if there is any chance, okay, you'll get that chance. Okay, so nothing wrong in following up. Follow up one or two times. Sometimes because of their busyness, they may not follow up. You follow up from your side. Nothing wrong. Okay. So to summarize, common mistakes, I'll just list down one more time. The first mistake is applying for random jobs. Stop doing that. Second one is not customizing your resume according to job description. Please follow that. Third one is not doing enough research before going for the company interview. Not doing enough research about the company. Fourth one is not preparing for common set of questions. Fifth one is not following up after interview. So please don't do these mistakes, and you'll get more chances to, get job calls, and maybe uh, clear the interviews also. Okay. I hope this video gave you some information. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you in the next video.